Five little animals. Five little animals playing in the sun, laughing and jumping, having so much fun. Jeez, monkey swung high and said, wee! Then there were four, as happy as can be. Four little animals dancing by the tree. Lion roared loud, come dance with me. He shook his mane and gave a cheer. Then there were three who stayed right here. Three little animals splashing by the shore. Zebra giggled, let's play some more. He splashed his tail and ran away. Then there were two to laugh and play. Two little animals flying in the sky. Parrot chirped loud, oh me, oh my. He flapped his wings, said, I'll explore. Then there was one by the jungle floor. One little elephant, big and round, stomped his feet and shook the ground. He blew his trunk and said goodbye, then waved to Rhythmic Rhymes for Kids.